Hello, I'm Brett Knowles from the Balanced Scorecard Network, and I'm going to provide you with a brief overview of Business and Strategies Excel Balanced Scorecard. Our credentials to do this is we've been involved in the scorecard arena for the last 20 years, and in fact, over the last 10 years, every book Doctors Kaplan and Norton have written cite our clients as examples of best case scenarios of how to build and run scorecards, and most of the other key balanced scorecard books also cover our client cases. Over the 2,000 clients we've helped, 4 have won the Balanced Scorecard Hall of Fame for recognition from Doctors Kaplan and Norton on how they've contributed to the Balanced Scorecard body of knowledge. If you want to know more about our work, join us at the Balanced Scorecard Network. Click on the Insights tab, and there are 200 or 300 webinars providing you further details on some of the concepts you're going to learn here today. I'll start off by giving you a brief overview of the application in total. You navigate the application through 8 icons across the top that give you access to different tabs. The one we're looking at, for example, is a strategy map. It shows you the strategic objectives and the cause and effect relationships between them. The data entry icon allows you to access each of the 4 perspectives, the strategic objectives, indicators, and actual and target performance. In this tab, you can also set up the target performance ranges for red, yellow, and green, and the organization name. We already looked at the strategy map. The next is a scorecard. The scorecard consolidates the information for each of the strategic objectives, gives you a month sparkline graph of how it's going over time, the overall performance, and of course here you can choose the different months to take a look at. And as you change different months, the performance icons and gauge will change to show that performance for that month. Each of the perspectives can be clicked on, and you can see the graph for the data, the icon by month, as well as the overall performance. There are fields for putting in the performance analysis and recommendations, as well as inputting specific strategic initiatives for each strategic objective. This application is ideally suited to organizations in both the private and public sector who are just beginning their scorecard journey and need a simple tool to deploy a simple scorecard to the organization. In this way, you can use this effective tool to test the use of the scorecard in your organization and ensure that it helps your organization make better managerial and strategic decisions. I'll be following this up with a series of webinars showing you how to use each of the tabs and get the best value out of this Excel tool.